Next on our tour of the UK, Wales. Our first stop was a local secondary school in the Welsh Valleys, and a chance to attend a very special school assembly. As well as putting the pupils and staff through their paces, we were joined by Commonwealth gymnast Frankie Jones, who won an impressive 7 medals in the last 2 Commonwealth Games.
So I've been privileged to do 3 Commonwealth Games and also Youth Games, which started off in Australia, so coming back to Australia is going to be incredible, I hope. Sunshine Beach, beautiful. Borobi.
Time for a real treat. Only hours before a crunch match against Ireland in the Six Nations, we got a special look behind the scenes.
We think we've given Borobi a real hearty Welsh welcome. We've brought him to what is our shrine of sport in the middle of the city, and I think he's really enjoyed it.
I think Borobi needs to brush up on his kicking though. We rounded off our day in Wales with a visit to the seaside resort of Barry Island, and a chance for us to get back on the surf. We were welcomed by our local kids choir, along with Rugby Sevens internationalist Sean Williams.
We got to get the ball back before you get back to your place.
He's cute, isn't he? Very good looking, very bright, and I think he's exactly what the Commonwealth Games is about.
Thanks for being such incredible hosts, guys.